So how do I go about booking my first fitting?
You can either do it online or you can come into store and do it. If you do it online, it's ever so simple. Just go into the website. That is really nice because you can do it at the time that you want to do it, and it's nice the fact that you can bring a friend with you or a family member. It's this big step to actually come in and actually make that appointment. If you're in store and it's one of those days when you think, this is it, I'm going to do it, then come to the fitting rooms and we can book you in for your appointment.
And there'll be somebody there who's specifically trained?
Yes.
For people who
yes,
have
so
breast cancer.
The M&S fitters are all trained to fit for a post-surgery bra. So we would have read the information that you've given to us. So when we go into your fit, we know some information about you. So most of the ladies pop into the fitting room and we'll say, could we have your name? And then after we've got your name, we'll take you through to the fitting room, and the first thing that we will do is introduce ourselves. So I will always say, hi, I'm Ali, and today we're going to do your bra fit. Do you feel comfortable? And we try to make it a really calm and relaxed environment.
I'm guessing some people struggle with intimacy in general with their loved ones, so coming into the dressing room and stripping off in front of a stranger is really difficult. So how do you approach that? If somebody wants a bit of space, are they okay to have quite a lot of time at their appointment? Is it?
So our appointments are normally 30 minutes. 30 minutes is just there as a number. If we need more time, we take the time. We work as a team, and it is a massive step. A lot of people, when they come through, haven't shown anybody else their scars.
Yeah.
So we just take all of that into consideration, and we take as long as we need, and we just want to make you feel very, very settled in the environment.
And is there anything particularly that we should wear when we come in? You know, is there anything that it's good to see over a bra? Is there anything specific clothes-wise?
I think it's whatever you're happy in. So you shouldn't have to change what you wear to make you feel good in the bra that we're going to fit. We do have ladies who come in and say, can you help? I've got my son's wedding and I've got this. So we always make sure that we fit the bra which is appropriate to what you want to wear.
Would the customers be able to bring someone with them to make them feel better about themselves and more comfortable?
Absolutely. Our fitting rooms are big enough to hold as many people as we need, and we often find that that person has been their rock, and it's important that they continue that journey. We also have lots of partners and husbands who come along and they sit just inside the outside of the fitting room, and when we've fitted everybody and they put their tops on and they stand in the mirror and look at themselves, and you can see that joy on their face.
And you've had the first fitting, should you come back again? Is there like a certain amount of time to come back? Or
Absolutely.
Is it just...
So obviously after surgery your body does change, and again as your journey continues your body continues to change, so it's always important to come back and have that fitting to make sure that you are in the correct size. It doesn't matter if you don't buy anything, it's always making sure that your bra size is correct.
So Alison, how do you make sure that the customer has the right fit?
Okay, so when they first come in, we just ask them to remove their top but keep their existing bra on. We normally just say to the ladies, what size bra are you wearing? Lots of ladies are in the right size, lots of ladies are in the wrong size. We normally use a tape measure. We just pop it round the band, so underneath the bust line and round, to see what the measurement is. And then we ask the ladies to just turn and face us, and by our eye we can look and see what cup that you should be in. And it's really important that that band is the correct fit, because if it's too tight it will rub, and if it's too big it'll ride. If the lady has had a total mastectomy, we ask them what size prosthesis they've been given. And again, we will then gauge that size to then go into the bra. From the information that most customers have given us, then we have got a selection of bras that we will then go out and bring in to fit. And we just work through, again, depending on the stage of their journey, depends on what size bra and also what style of bra we would bring into you.
So following breast cancer diagnosis, we're told that you can get VAT exemption off post-surgical bras. Is that true for all post-surgery bras?
So post-surgery bras, you can get your VAT off. So if you pick one of our post-surgery bras, we fit with you, then there is a VAT relief. If you have one of our other bras, then there is no VAT, so it's only on your post-surgery bras, and also the pocket and the breast forms, which you have your relief on that.
Perfect. And if you buy it online, how does that
So
work?
exactly the same, that
Okay.
it will be taken off at the end of your transaction.